Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use hand tracking on your Oculus Quest 2. Hand tracking is a great feature that allows you to interact with your Quest 2 without the need for controllers. It's a more immersive way to experience virtual reality, so let's get started. First, make sure your Quest 2 is updated to the latest version of the software. You can check for updates in the settings menu. Once you're up to date, put on your headset and navigate to the home screen. Next, look for the settings option on the bottom toolbar and click on it. In the settings menu, select the device tab and click on tracking. In the tracking menu, enable the hand tracking option by toggling the switch to the right. After enabling hand tracking, the camera on the front of the headset will turn on, and you will see your hands on the screen. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your hands. The instructions will guide you to make a few gestures with your hands so that the Quest 2 can accurately track them. Once calibration is complete, you'll be ready to use hand tracking. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Oculus Quest 2 content, and we'll see you in the next video.